Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix UE Hell Let Loose Vietnam Fatal Error. So here's what you gotta do. First, you go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, go to Windows Update. And here, if you don't see any updates available, click here, check for updates, and then download the latest available updates. After you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is open a new Chrome tab and type in DirectX. Click the first link and download the end user installer. Simply download it and then open it and then click yes here. Now click here, accept the agreement. Don't install the Bing bar and let it install the DirectX. After it's done, you want to click finish. Now you want to install, if you don't already have the NVIDIA or AMD app, and simply open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers and download the latest and greatest driver. Now, after you download it, while it's downloading, you want to go to system, turn off the G-Sync if you have it on, go to settings, disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. And while the driver is updating and installing, you want to go to your Steam, go to your library, find your game, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, and simply click verify integrity of the game files. And after it's done verifying and you update the drivers, restart the PC and the game should work properly. Now if nothing else works, what you can do is go back here. So right click, properties, go to installed files. You want to click move install folder and move your game to local disk C where your Windows is installed, and it should be better there and should work properly. And you simply select it and then click move. And after you're done all of that, your game should work properly and everything should be fine. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix UE Hell Let Loose Vietnam Fatal Error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.